Kinda new with apologies. Holding back, I got history. Yeah, yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it bite.
Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're doing 4 days of DIYs, cleaning and home maintenance projects, starting with my first DIY, stripping the varnish off the glass shades of the ceiling fans, vanity lights, and chandeliers.
Kinda used to these battlegrounds where you flee, you don't stick around.
After my first of 3 trips to Walmart, wearing my protective gear and reading the directions, I was off to a great start. But if you know me, you know that didn't last long.
Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it bite. But somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you.
Removing the glass shades from my eat-in area, office ceiling fan, half bath, and my husband's vanity was a breeze. But my vanity, on the other hand, was a different story. There were several moments where I wanted to quit. I said a few cuss words and I almost broke my tripod and my phone. But I continued until I got that sucker down.
Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it bite.
I wore double gloves but had to change them often because the varnish tore right through them. And the glass was so slippery at times I dropped and broke one. After a few breaths, I decided to take a break and head to Home Depot to purchase a replacement.
You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. I don't know why. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you.
After 3 hours, I was able to wipe the stripper off with paper towels and clean the glass shades with Dawn Power Wash. On day 2, in a visit to Dee and Walmart, I purchased another container of stripper gel and industrial gloves so I could get the vanities in the upstairs owner's suite and hallway bath done. On day 3, I wanted to paint the side and back wall in my kitchen, so I was back at Walmart for the 3rd time purchasing painting supplies. I also stopped at Home Depot to purchase the Bear Pure White paint. The last time I painted was about 2 years ago, and I didn't receive a pour spout with the can of paint, so this was the first time using this thing, and you know I had to mess it up. But of course I figured it out. It's a good thing I prepped the area before painting, because when I was done, paint was everywhere. It was on the floors, the counters, my hair, and even on poor Max's nose. This is water-based paint, so everything cleaned up well with just soap and water. After 6 hours and 3 coats of paint, I was done. In the beginning, my plan was not to paint this portion of the wall, but after much thought, I decided to paint it anyway. After finishing the kitchen, I still had about half a gallon of paint left, so I decided to touch up the back hallway leading to the garage.
I want to be there and baby dance the night away. I let my head down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time?
On day 4, I cleaned the lights above the showers, toilets, caulked around the kitchen cabinets, and gave the kitchen counters a thorough clean. And as usual, things didn't go as planned, but guess what? Your girl got it done.
I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no gloves.
It was easy to remove the light in my closet, but I had a hard time replacing it, so of course hubby had to come to the rescue.
Without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what.
I couldn't remove the light above this shower, so I decided to leave it alone based on what's been happening over the past couple of days and in the past hour.
Your box, beauty queens without no gloves. You can do better. I dare you.
I needed to stop at Lowe's to pick up some caulk, and I figured I'm already out. I might as well grab my favorite snack, Krispy Kreme donuts.
I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. You don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down.
After caulking, I finished with some good old-fashioned cleaning, something I knew I wouldn't mess up. I also wanted to clean my stainless steel appliances, and if you've been with me a while, you know I don't like using the stainless steel cleaner because it leaves a film on the appliances, but after all the painting I did, I decided to be best. Also on my cooktop, I decided to use Clorox wipes instead of my usual soap and water. made it this far in the video, I want to thank you for watching Sissy Spaces. Also, if you enjoyed today's video, please remember to hit that like and subscribe button and share this channel with your family and friends. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.